Mga Lasha, good morning! Guess what? Nandito tayo mga Lasha sa Pyramid! Yeah. So early in the morning, 7:39, pumunta tayo dito. Pero tirik na rin ang araw mga Lasha. We finally see it in person. You know, Sphinx and the pyramids. Doon siya mga Lasha. Go there to have a closer look. Punta na tayo mga Lasha. Oh. Malamig ang hangin. So this is it. Nandito tayo mga Lasha sa Egypt. If you want to take around mga Lasha, meron dito silang shuttle bus na it will take you sa mga pyramids. Yan. This time, closer look na talaga sa ating pyramid. Closer look na talaga tayo dito mga Lasha. Before entering, kailangan nyo munang bumili ng ticket. Of course. Meron silang card or visa or it can be paid via visa or cash. Magandang pumunta ng morning mga Lasha. So yung araw hindi masyadong mainit at saka it's vitamin D, so mas maganda. I like to take photo here. So Egypt. Pyramid built on a solid rock. Found a new friend here.
Yeah.
He's from China. I'm taking picture for him and he's taking picture for me.
Each other. We are good friends.
Yes, of course.
Good partner. Photo partner.
So how was your pyramids experience, Jari?
Yeah.
It was good, it was nice, something like that. How was it?
It's very good.
Very good, but it's hot. It's hot.
So hot.
We're really in Egypt. This is the pyramid. We are in the next station mga Lasha. Nandito tayo sa panorama view ng pyramid. Panorama station. This is really good. Really good. Lasha, kakarating lang natin dito sa Souk Al-Khalili. Papunta na tayo, papasok tayo ng Souk Al-Khalili. travel back in time here in Egypt, and we are in Masjid Azhar. Here, this one. So, ang Azhar University, mga Lasha, is sa ano lang, sa tabing daan lang ng Suq Al Khalil. Yan. Nice. Naalala ko yung ano, para yung sa Jeddah, yung sa Balad. Oo, ganun yung vibes niya. So mga Lasha, eri kita biyaon in Egyptian Museum here in Cairo. So we just finished purchasing our ticket. Ready na tayo. Pwede na tayong pumasok sa loob.
Don't wanna stay inside. I'm trying to show you something new tonight.
We're finally here mga Lasha sa Egyptian Museum dito sa Cairo. So meaning to say, giant talaga yung mga naunang tao, mga Lasha. Laki niya, see? Ang laki!
Your bags and leave your baggage. No one needs to understand it. Spending more than what I got, cause why waste life on something average? There's more than killing us.
It's a good place to visit also mga Lasha dito sa Egypt. Yung mga pa-fountain dito. Tapos pwede rin kayong tumambay after na din sa mall.
Ex couldn't afford to stay in hotels more than your own room, chasing that feeling through the sunroof. Anywhere that you like, I'll show you islands that they don't have a map or flying. Tattoos all on your passport, dying to see the world you asked for. No more wasting our time. You need a little bit of sun something for the jet lag. Wheels up, 30,000 feet, our destination is far away, off grid. He tried to tell you that ain't real life, nonsense. He tried to tell you, baby, dream on. Walking out to my theme song. It's kinda nice what I binge on. This with me and my friends on. Now or never, baby, why wait? We need some time to rejuvenate. 4,000 miles to our no escape. You never thought that you'd break away, but I made a way. Have you felt the sting of a love he couldn't bring while you're sitting on the wing of a 747? I could make you sing in a California King. Give the concierge a ring. The massages here are heaven.
Basmati rice. Shukran. Okay. This is half shish tawuk.
Don't wanna stay inside.
Room tour. So ganito yung ano natin. Hindi siya king bed. Tapos, ito yung washroom natin. Wala man lang sila paano. So, dito. Okay na. Nag-request actually ako ng sajada. So kung tatlo kayo, pwede na hatian kayo sa ano.
I'll show you islands that they don't have a map or flying. Tattoos all on your passport, dying to see the world you asked for. No more wasting our time. You need a little bit of something for the jet lag. Wheels up, 30,000 feet, our destination